doing a video here of a self-latching reed switch that I built. I got it biased with a little magnet on one razor blade. You can see that there. And there's another razor blade that's taped to the bamboo stick. Anyway, I'm going to try to demonstrate this so that you can see it. Okay, here we go. All right, you see that? That's latched. Okay, now here comes the opposite magnet. Watch this. Bink. Now it's open. It's latched open. Okay, watch this. Now it's latched closed because the magnet is making the razor blade stick to the razor blade that's underneath it. You see that? Bing. It's latched. The magnet's holding it to that razor blade. When the opposite polarity comes, it pushes it back and it stays latched open. One more time. There's latched close. A biased reed switch latched open. Bing. Latch close. Latch open. Okay, that's it.